Management of non-biodegradable waste. Disposing of non-biodegradable waste is a problem because if they are put in landfills, they remain under the soil for a long time. They may also pollute the soil and groundwater. There is also a severe shortage of land for the landfills in cities because the previous landfills. The best way to manage non-biodegradable waste is by reducing the amount of waste generation and reusing or recycling waste. Reusing and recycling of waste. Using the materials instead of throwing them away as waste is called reuse. Plastic items, paper products, aluminum containers, etc. can be reused for various other purposes. Recycling is a method of using the collected waste to make new items. By following the methods of reuse and recycle, the amount of waste generated can be minimized to keep the environment clean. Recycling and reuse of waste paper. Paper. Wood is used to make paper. Although paper is a biodegradable material, trees are cut to get the wood for papers. To save trees, less usage and recycling of paper are the only two ways. At home, the leftover blank paper from the notebooks of the previous years can be used for writing. The newspapers and newspapers can be sold to kabaddi shops, who can then send it for recycling. The recycled paper is used for making new paper and packing materials. Plastic waste. Plastic are convenient materials used in our daily life. Packing of milk, packing of bread, polythene covers, etc. are plastic materials. But excess usage and disposal of plastic leads to a large accumulation of plastic due to its non-biodegradable property. Burning plastics led to rise of poisonous fumes so that they stay in the landfills for many years. Reusing of waste plastic. Some suggestions for the reducing the generation of plastic waste and its effective management are listed below. Plastics can be reused. For example, polythene covers can be used to get groceries. Plastic bottles can be used to store water or cut open and used as pots for plants. Public places should be declared as the plastic free zones. Watch what you use. Reduce the use of polythene covers and plastic packing materials. Reuse the plastic bottles, covers and plastic boxes. Segregate the waste from your home into biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Composting your kitchen waste can give nutrient-rich manure for your garden. Refuse plastic bags at shops. Use cloth bags instead. Keep your surroundings clean by not littering. Always throw the chocolate wrappers, ice cream wrappers, leftover food, etc. into dustbins. Reduce unnecessary use of non-biodegradable materials and their disposal. Reuse the non-biodegradable items if possible. Recycle plastic items, paper, metal items, etc. Refuse unnecessary plastic packaging. packing materials and things that increase waste. Roles of municipalities or city corporation. Municipalities are the authorities responsible for keeping towns clean. In the same way, corporations are the authorities responsible for keeping the cities clean. Panchayat are responsible for keeping the village clean. Waste management is not one person's job. Every individual and the authorities should play their roles to keep the surroundings clean. The authorities employ people for collection of garbage from every household, public institutions, and private establishments on a daily basis. The task of the authorities includes providing safe equipment like gloves, face masks, waste bins, and transportation to the employed staff who collects the garbage and safe transportation of the collected waste to the landfill sites. Segregation of the waste into degradable and non-degradable materials to be disposed of or recycled is the main task. This is the responsibility of every individual citizen. This can reduce the amount of waste going into the landfills. The staff should be trained to handle the proper disposal of hazardous waste. Several measures have also been taken by the government for reducing the use of non-biodegradable waste. For example, clay mugs used in places of glasses or plastic tumblers for supplying tea in the trains by the Indian Railways. Public's role. People should take care not to litter waste in their surroundings. Dustbins placed around the residential areas should be used to dispose of waste. E-waste or electronic waste. Electronic waste refers to the discarded electronic materials. This includes television sets, computers, mobile phones, and refrigerators, etc. These contain lead, phosphorus, cadmium, and beryllium as the electronic equipment gets updated every now and then people are buying more and more electronic materials. This has led to an increase in the generation of e-waste. If the e-waste is not properly disposed of, it may end up in landfills. This may lead to contamination of air, water, and soil, causing pollution. Export to the toxic substances in the e-waste causes health problems in the living beings.